Welcome back, aspiring programmers. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of TypeScript and exploring a crucial topic: error handling and exception handling. Errors are an inevitable part of any program, but fear not. TypeScript provides us with powerful tools to handle and manage errors effectively. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly discuss why error handling is essential. When writing programs, errors can occur due to various reasons, such as incorrect input, network issues, or unexpected behavior. As programmers, it's our responsibility to handle these errors gracefully and prevent our application from crashing. TypeScript offers several techniques and mechanisms to handle errors. One common approach is to use TryCatch Blocks. In this example, we have a function called divide that takes two numbers as parameters and performs division. However, if the second number b is 0, it throws an error using the throw keyword. To handle this potential error, we encapsulate the function call inside a TryCatch block. The try block contains the code that might throw an error, and the catch block catches and handles the error if it occurs. If an error is thrown in the try block, the execution jumps to the catch block, and the error object is caught and accessible through the error parameter. In this example, we simply log the error message to the console. This way, we can gracefully handle errors and prevent our program from crashing. While TryCatch blocks are excellent for synchronous code, what if we are dealing with asynchronous operations or promises? TypeScript has got us covered with the async, await syntax. Error handling in asynchronous operations. With async await, we can handle errors in a more elegant and synchronous-looking manner. By marking a function as async, we can use the await keyword to wait for a promise to resolve or reject before proceeding. In this example, we have a function fetchUserData that returns a promise. Inside the promise, we simulate an asynchronous operation, fetching user data, with a setTimeout function. If the operation is successful, we resolve the promise with a success message. Otherwise, we reject the promise with an error object. To handle this asynchronous operation and potential errors, we define an async function called getUserData. Within this function, we use the await keyword to wait for the fetchUserData promise to resolve or reject. If the promise is resolved, we log the result to the console. If the promise is rejected, the execution jumps to the catch block, and we log the error message to the console. Finally, we call the getUserData function to initiate the async operation and handle any errors that may occur. By combining async await with TryCatch blocks, we can handle errors in a more elegant and synchronous-looking manner for asynchronous operations. Please check our other video for a more in-depth look into async await and promises in TypeScript. Now that we've covered the basics of error handling and exception handling in TypeScript, I encourage you to explore more advanced techniques, such as custom error classes, handling specific types of errors, and leveraging TypeScript's type system to enforce error handling rules. Remember, error handling is not just about preventing crashes. It's about providing meaningful feedback to users and maintaining the stability and reliability of our applications. I hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of error handling and exception handling in TypeScript. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!